Hello, I'm Scott Deans, the Turf and Utility Product Line Aftermarket Manager for John Deere. Let's highlight some of the features and benefits that you'll find on the commercial grade deck belts we use for our Z900E M&R series mowers. Here you'll see a John Deere OEM belt and a non-OEM belt. As you can see, the John Deere belt is actually designed to different dimensional standards than a standard V belt. The reason we do so is so that we can generate more surface contact between the belt and the pulley to more efficiently transfer the power from the pulley to the rest of the deck drive system. This allows us to keep a consistent blade tip speed at the right level to ensure an excellent cut quality. We also double wrap our belts in a high flex fabric. This allows us to protect the belt against nicks and cuts, as well as design it to ensure a smooth blade engagement. We also use a manufacturing process to ensure that we have highly aligned aramid cords that are complete throughout the entirety of the belt. The standard process for manufacturing belts does not always ensure that there are 6 cords throughout the entire belt. As you can see here, we have 6 cords on this side of my OEM belt segment, as well as 6 cords on this side. In some non-OEM belt segments, here you'll see we have 6 cords on this side, but when I flip it around, we actually have 7 cords. This is caused during the manufacturing process when the cords are cut, lessening the strength of the belt. We also use aligned fibers within our rubber compound. Here we have a sample of our rubber compound, and you can see that it still has the flexibility it needs to bend around the pulleys. However, when we rotate that rubber compound, the fibers act as a stiffening mechanism to ensure that we reduce the amount of rolling and twisting that belt occurs. Today we discussed how John Deere OEM deck belts are double wrapped with a high flex fabric to provide a softer PTO engagement, extending the life of your equipment. We also talked about how we design and manufacture our deck belts to the exact dimensions for a specific application, creating an efficient transfer of power from the belt and keeping the blade tip speed at the proper level to achieve an excellent cut quality. John Deere OEM deck belts are individually manufactured to make sure all aramid cords are complete throughout the entire belt. Aligned fibers are also added to the rubber compound to provide additional protection from the belt rolling or twisting. The aramid cords and aligned fibers both work together to provide a long-lasting deck belt. So what are you waiting for? Visit your local John Deere dealer today to pick up a John Deere OEM mower deck belt, or go to jdparts.deere.com to place an order and make sure you are getting the most out of your John Deere Z900E M&R series mowers.